What's your opinion about Pak-Saudi agreement?
Riazan sir, in fact, between Saudi Arabia and Pakistan, an agreement was signed many years back regarding security measures. But due to sudden attack by Israel to Qatar, an agreement was again signed between Saudi Arabia and Pakistan. Now, both the countries will be responsible as and when any foreign attack occurred on Pakistan or Saudi Arabia. Now Pakistan is also a member of that proverb, custodian of two holy mosques. Before that, the government of Saudi Arabia was custodian of two holy mosques, I mean Makkah and Medina. Now Pakistani Fauj and government of Pakistan, after an agreement, now both the countries are custodian of two holy mosques. Congratulations to all the Pakistanis.